In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect the WooCommerce mobile app for iOS and Android to your online store step by step. If you want to manage orders, track sales, and receive notifications directly from your phone, this setup is essential. The good news is it only takes a few minutes to get everything connected properly. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more WooCommerce tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is prepare your WordPress website. Open your browser and log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside your admin area, go to Plugins on the left-hand menu and click on Add New. In the search bar on the top right, type in Jetpack. The plugin you're looking for is called Jetpack, WP Security, Backup, Speed, and Growth. This plugin is required because the WooCommerce mobile app connects to your store using a WordPress.com account through Jetpack. Once you find Jetpack, click Install Now. Wait a few seconds for it to install, and then click Activate. After activation, you'll see a button that says Set Up Jetpack. Click on that button. You'll now be prompted to log in with a WordPress.com account. If you already have one, simply enter your email and password. If not, you can create a free WordPress.com account in just a minute. Follow the on-screen steps to connect Jetpack to your website. Once the connection is complete, your store is now linked to WordPress.com, which is required for the WooCommerce mobile app to work properly. Now that Jetpack is connected, let's move to your phone. On your iPhone or Android device, open the App Store if you're using iOS or Google Play Store if you're using Android. In the search bar, type WooCommerce and download the official WooCommerce app developed by Automatic. Once the app is installed, open it. On the welcome screen, tap Login. The app will ask for your site address. Enter your full website URL, for example, https://yourstore.com, and then tap Continue. Next, you'll see different login options. Choose Login with WordPress.com. This is very important. Make sure you use the same WordPress.com email account that you connected to Jetpack earlier. Enter your WordPress.com credentials and log in. After logging in, the app will automatically detect your connected WooCommerce store. Within a few seconds, your store dashboard will appear inside the app. And that's it. Your WooCommerce mobile app is now successfully connected to your website. From here, you can view and manage orders, receive real-time notifications when a new order comes in, check revenue reports, manage products, and even track customer details directly from your phone. This makes it incredibly convenient to run your online store from anywhere. If for some reason your store doesn't appear, double-check that Jetpack is installed, activated, and properly connected to the same WordPress.com account you're using in the app. Most connection issues happen because of mismatched accounts. Connecting the WooCommerce mobile app is one of the best ways to stay on top of your business without being tied to your computer. Whether you're traveling, working remotely, or just away from your desk, you'll always have access to your store. If this tutorial helped you connect your WooCommerce mobile app for iOS or Android, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step WooCommerce and WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.